Hello everyone, my name is Mansi Kakkar and welcome to our channel Sarsi Education. Today with us we have St. Leo University's Global Project Manager Sahil Massey.
Hi everyone, and thank you so much Mansi for inviting me.
Lovely. So Sahil, starting our quick conversation, like there is a notion that we have that, USA might not be a right choice for global study education right now, or maybe there is a narrative that is going negative, which is not, somewhere supporting many students' dreams to study in USA. What would you comment on that?
See, I would say that US, despite of all the competitions happening right now in around the globe, US has always been, United States has always been a top choice for a student. Correct. And that always gonna remain the same. Mm-hmm. And the opportunity students will be given by the United States is immense. You can choose your curriculum, you can choose your major, minors. See, the negativity is around all the social media.
Correct.
But the best part, the administration of the United States never says no to the genuine students.
Correct.
So there is no to the genuine students. Genuine students are always welcome to the United States.
Right, right. So if you are a genuine student and you are really looking to study abroad and really have USA in mind, I think that we have a say from someone who is into the industry himself and knows that, okay, USA is seriously not that negative. भले competition आपको लगे कि ज़्यादा है, कम है, academia कैसा है, कैसा नहीं है, पर ये चीज़ें मैटर बहुत करती हैं कि बच्चा अगर genuinely educate करना चाहता है तो वो USA में हमेशा वेलकम है.
देखिए मैं एक बात बोलूंगा इसमें कि दैट बच्चे को अपनी स्टोरी जो है वो बहुत सच्चाई से आगे बतानी है. दैट ऑल मैटर्स बिकॉज अगर आप अपनी स्टोरी में और आप यहाँ पर हैं, अगर मैं बच्चे को कुछ काउंसलिंग करता हूँ और उनको बताता हूँ कि आपको मॉक सेशंस दे रहा हूँ, मैं बता रहा हूँ मेरी स्टोरी ऐसे है कि मुझे ऐसे वीजा मिला, और वही स्टोरी सेम जाके बच्चा आगे बताता है और शायद उसको वीजा ना मिले, बट उसको अपनी स्टोरी होना, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टूडेंट टेल देयर ओन स्टोरी कि मैंने यूएसए एज अ डेस्टिनेशन क्यों चूज करा है. करेक्ट. देन यू हैव अ हाई चांस ऑफ गेटिंग एक्सेप्टेंस.
Makes sense. I think that's how things should actually work. That right career pathway planning is very important for any individual.
It is.
And talking about career pathway planning and your university, St. Leo University. Right. So, can you tell us about the university? Like, help us exploring more.
Sure. So, St. Leo University, basically, it's a private university based out of Florida, nearby to Tampa. Right. Tampa is the business hub. And especially Florida, if you say there's a no income tax place, and so it means, which means that you have a lower living expenses. आपको पता है कि Florida जो St. Leo जहाँ पर based out है, वहाँ पर ऐसा है कि lower living expense है, तो आपका खर्चा इतना नहीं होता है. As per the students main concern क्या है कि मुझे इतना पैसा नहीं लगाना. I want to be affordable. That where St. Leo comes in. Wow. Very affordable. The PG fees is just from $9,000 to $11,000, which is the one of best thing. And especially if I talk about St. Leo University, they have a beautiful campus nearby Tampa, and moreover, if they have been, working on the IT sectors more, they have amazing labs and giving the CPT on OPT also, which is the one of the most asked thing.
Right.
That we want हमें बस graduation हो और हमें job मिल जाए. That's what St. Leo is giving to the students.
Wow. I think this is one of the very important point that you highlighted, that कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग बहुत ज़्यादा मैटर करती है किसी भी बच्चे के लिए इंटरनेशनल एजुकेशन के टाइम पे. आई थिंक कि जो प्लानिंग है वो इसी हिसाब से प्रॉपर होनी चाहिए कि कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग एनालाइज्ड है, यूनिवर्सिटी कैसी है एनालाइज्ड है, कैंपस लोग एक्सप्लोर कर सके, ये सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज उनके पास सही होनी चाहिए. सो आई थिंक दैट सेंट लियो हैपेंस टू बी अ वेरी परफेक्ट फिट व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट आई गेस द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग एंड इवन द एकेडेमिया. कैन यू हेल्प अस एक्सप्लोरिंग मोर अबाउट इट?
For sure. See, we have just opened with summer programs right now. We have programs like cyber security. Okay. We have computer science and masters. Right. We have AI, which is one of the most asked. Correct. Artificial intelligence एक ऐसा है, आपको पता है हर चीज AI पे based हो रही है आजकल. We are giving that on campus, a handful experience to a student, and then also we have a last but not the least, we have MBA in data analytics for summer.
Wow.
And I would say the admission requirements are very, very bare minimum. It's a very, very bare minimum. If I say so, there is no application fee. There is no GRE GMAT required.
Wow.
And moreover is just the offer letter. जो बच्चे का सबसे ज्यादा चाह होती है कि मुझे फटाफट से ऑफर लेटर मिल जाए, I-20 मिल जाए, कि मुझे ज्यादा कॉस्ट ना पे करना पड़े. That's what we are giving. There is no I-20 deposit. of course the offer letter will be given to you in 24 to 48 hours.
Lovely.
That is what the best thing we are giving out to the students कि बच्चे को वेट ना करना। आजकल के टाइम पे क्या हो गया, बहुत सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज क्या कर रही हैं, दे आस्क फॉर I-20 फीस, बच्चों का पैसा फंस जाता है क्योंकि अपॉइंटमेंट्स नहीं मिल रही है, राइट? तो अब क्या करा हमने, एज अ सोल्यूशन वी हैव कम विद नो I-20 डिपॉजिट, which gives students की एक बार जो है, जो बैरियर है वो हम तोड़ने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि बच्चे को अपना वीजा स्टेटस तक जाने के लिए विदाउट एनी कॉस्ट ही कैन गो इजीली।
Wow, I think that's one of the biggest effort that St. Leo University is making. That I see that you are thinking from the students' perspective. So I think this is a very important line that every listener of ours should actually consider, is that every individual that is planning to go USA, they have to be very specific about how their journey, their process of reaching a destination is going to be. And I think कि ये information सबसे important होगी हमारे listeners के लिए जानना, that there are no enrollment deposits. The university is very helpful and comfortable enough for any student to pave their way in USA.
Right.
So I think this is one of the biggest ask that any child or any parent would have. Right. Lovely. This is very interesting to know.
And I want to highlight one more thing. A lot of students are now confused and stressed, right, because of the visa, success rate.
Correct.
In terms of, in general in USA, we are giving out students, we have a department which called Center Global Engagement Department. We are giving out mock sessions in a webinar and a one-to-one sessions as well from the campus side.
Wow.
जिससे बच्चों को क्या है, हैंडफुल एक्सपीरियंस मिल रहा है कि हमें कैसे अपना आप को प्रिपेयर करना है फॉर द वीजा इंटरव्यूज।
Correct.
Right? So that the stress around the US negativity that can go away, and we can support them and help them to do certain things, do certain changes in their answers that can help them to achieve their goals. That's what we are trying to do here.
Lovely. So I think that that is very important, that anyone who is actually applying for US for their F1s, they have to be very specific with their interview answers. They need to be clear about it.
So
and you help, as university, you help students to get that clarity. I think that shows how much invested you are in students. So this is really great to know. Thank you so much for giving this information to our listener.